Üdvözlök mindenkit Budapesten. Nagy nap ez a mai. Welcome to Budapest, everybody. Today is a really great day.
I believe in Panasonic Connect, this is a great opportunity to prove that the collaboration between the different divisions can happen in one place.
It is about really backing up our strategy in MEBD, what we call a true glass-to-glass strategy, to develop new revenue streams of service. This is a new service platform.
CS function is very important. That's why I'm very happy to see the new CS center in Budapest.
For us, it's extremely important. Panasonic Broadcast and ProAV always had very best-in-class repair centers.
Better turnaround time to the customer located here in the middle of Europe, bringing additional value for our services to the customer.
Eastern Europe is quite big market, so we can focus, we can develop to this opportunity.
This new facility is going to expand our capabilities in order to improve even more our service offering to the customers.
We can make a difference to all our customers and help them to be successful in their business. If they win, we win also. Create this win-win environment.